Good day guys, from a small village in southern Bulgaria. Right now the drone is flying, I'm not doing anything, just keeping track and ready to act if something happens, but I really doubt it. The DJI Matrice 4E is currently capturing around 1,000 images of this really beautiful church. Here you can see the drone actually behind me. The drone mission is fully autonomous, so I don't need to do anything. I've planned the flight route, and now the DJI Matrice 4E is executing, so I'm really excited to see the results. So the purpose of this capture is to collect images and stitch them into a 3D photorealistic model of this church. Why is it so important? Well, first we have cultural heritage preservation, because with the drone we can create a very accurate 3D model, which is basically a digital copy of the church. In this way, the Ministry of Culture, for example, and tourist organizations, cultural heritage institutions will be able to receive this 3D model and use it for restoration planning, and also to see the exact state of the building. Secondly, we have remote collaboration, because when we create this 3D model, we will be able to share it with practically with anybody, because we can just share the link, and engineers and architects can collaborate remotely using the 3D model to plan reconstruction and stuff. This is also really valuable.